the ultimate guide to reversing age-related muscle loss. It's a phrase we hear often, a concern that shadows many as they enter their 5th, 6th, and 7th decades of life. The slow, seemingly inevitable decline of muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia, is a topic that many accept as a fixed and unavoidable part of aging. We are often told that once you hit the big 6-0, building muscle is a thing of the past, and all you can hope to do is slow the inevitable slide. But what if that conventional wisdom was wrong? What if the aging process, at least as it relates to our muscular health, was not a one-way street, but a journey with an off-ramp? The truth is, reversing age-related muscle loss is not only possible, it is one of the most powerful things you can do to boost your longevity, enhance your quality of life, and maintain your independence for years to come. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to dive deep into the science behind why our bodies change, the nutritional and exercise strategies to fight back, and the specific action steps you can take to rebuild a stronger, more resilient you. We'll start by debunking the myths and uncovering the real physiological challenges that arise with age, challenges that once understood can be overcome. We'll then reveal the dietary secrets that flip the switch on muscle growth and highlight a powerful superfood that can dramatically accelerate your results. Finally, we'll give you a simple, effective, and easy-to-follow plan that you can start putting into practice today. So, get ready to change the way you think about aging and muscle, because the best is yet to come. Our journey begins with understanding the primary antagonist in this story, a concept called anabolic resistance. As we get older, our bodies become less responsive to the signals that tell our muscles to grow and repair themselves. Think of it like a dimmer switch that's been turned down over time. It takes more of a signal, more of a stimulus, to get the same response you once had. This is a critical point because it explains why simply eating the same amount of protein or doing the same workout you did in your 20s isn't enough anymore. Your body has become resistant to the very processes that build muscle. But here's the good news. This resistance is not permanent. It's something you can actively fight and reverse. The keys to this reversal lie in a two-pronged approach: optimizing your nutrition and engaging in the right kind of exercise. Another major factor contributing to this resistance is a decrease in insulin sensitivity. As we age, our cells can become less responsive to insulin, which plays a vital role not just in regulating blood sugar, but also in shuttling amino acids and other nutrients into our muscle cells for repair and growth. Improving insulin sensitivity through proper diet and exercise is therefore a powerful tool in the fight against sarcopenia. It's about making your body more efficient at utilizing the nutrients you give it. This brings us to the first and most critical pillar of our strategy: nutrition. You've probably heard it a million times, but protein is the king of macronutrients when it comes to muscle. However, for older adults, it's not just about the total amount of protein you eat, but about a specific amino acid within that protein. That amino acid is leucine. Think of leucine as the master switch for muscle protein synthesis. It's the signal that tells your body to start building and repairing muscle tissue. As we mentioned, because of anabolic resistance, older adults require a higher threshold of leucine to activate this process. The magic number, the amount of leucine needed to kickstart this process, is around 2.5 to 3 grams per meal. This is a non-negotiable target if you want to effectively build muscle. To put this in perspective, you'd find this amount in about 30 grams of high-quality protein, such as chicken breast, eggs, or lean beef. Timing your protein intake is also crucial. The best time to get a significant dose of protein and leucine is in the morning to switch on the muscle-building machinery for the day. Distributing your protein intake evenly across 3 or 4 meals throughout the day, instead of just loading up at dinner, is also key to maximizing muscle growth. So what are the best sources of this powerful leucine? While whey protein supplements are an excellent way to hit your leucine target, especially in the morning, there's another source: a true superfood that offers an incredible array of muscle-building nutrients. That superfood is grass-fed beef liver. Now I know what you might be thinking. Liver? Really? But hear me out. Grass-fed beef liver is a nutritional powerhouse. It's not only incredibly rich in high-quality protein and leucine, but it's also packed with other vital micronutrients that are essential for muscle repair and energy production. It's an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is critical for nerve function and DNA synthesis, as well as highly bioavailable iron, which is necessary for carrying oxygen to your muscles. It's also full of other B vitamins, coenzyme Q10, and vitamin A. Incorporating this into your diet, whether through small servings of fresh liver or a high-quality supplement, can provide a synergistic effect that boosts your body's ability to build and maintain muscle like few other foods can. Now, let's talk about the second critical pillar, exercise. While nutrition provides the building blocks, exercise provides the signal. And when it comes to building muscle, the most powerful signal you can send is through resistance training. This means lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even using your own body weight. You don't have to become a bodybuilder, but you do need to challenge your muscles. The goal is to create micro-tears in the muscle fibers, which your body then repairs and rebuilds stronger. For older adults, this is not just about vanity. It's about strength, bone density, balance, and reducing the risk of falls. Simple exercises like squats, push-ups, rows, and overhead presses can be incredibly effective. The key is consistency. Aim for 2 to 3 resistance training sessions per week. Remember, you don't need to live in the gym to see results. Just 2 or 3 focused sessions a week can make a world of difference. Beyond nutrition and exercise, there are other lifestyle factors that play a significant role. Adequate sleep is absolutely non-negotiable. It's during deep sleep that your body releases the highest amounts of growth hormone, which is crucial for muscle repair and recovery. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Stress management is also important, as chronic stress can elevate cortisol, a hormone that promotes muscle breakdown. Now let's bring it all together into a simple, effective action plan. First, prioritize protein in every meal, aiming for a minimum of 30 grams per meal. Pay special attention to your breakfast, making it a high-protein meal to jumpstart your day. Second, incorporate a leucine-rich supplement like whey protein or a whole food source like grass-fed beef liver into your daily routine. This ensures you're hitting that critical leucine threshold with every meal. Third, commit to 2 or 3 resistance training sessions per week. Focus on full-body movements that engage multiple muscle groups at once, like squats and push-ups. And finally, don't underestimate the power of lifestyle. Prioritize getting at least 7 hours of sleep per night and find healthy ways to manage your stress. The journey to reversing age-related muscle loss is not about finding a magic pill. It's about consistently applying these fundamental principles of nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle. It's a commitment to yourself, to your health, and to your future. It's a powerful statement that you are not going to let age define you. By taking control of your muscle health, you are taking control of your vitality, your independence, and your longevity. So start today. The time for change is now.